What's the meaning of brown dwarf? Brown dwarf. Brown dwarf.
Brown dwarf. Brown dwarf. A brown dwarf is a type of celestial object that is often referred to as a failed star. It is larger than a gas giant planet, but smaller than a true star, and as a result, it does not have enough mass or energy to ignite nuclear fusion in its core. Instead, it emits heat and light from its slowly cooling surface. Brown dwarfs are important objects for astronomers to study because they can help us better understand the formation and evolution of stars and planets. They are also potential hosts for exoplanets, and may even be capable of supporting life in some cases.